piloting advanced helicopters with Rod and Natalie at Seisha, the new sensation of Cape York Peninsula. We're here at the tip. It was fantastic.
It really was very, very good to see this tip from above and see the range snaking away. It is just magnificent. And the islands, it really gave us a different dimension to what we can see on the ground.
It
really
took
wonderful.
You can't realise just how vast
No,
and
untouched.
untouched.
It was so good that my husband couldn't see the people on the tip of Australia all down there with their champagne. He was too busy taking photos. It was fantastic, and thank you both very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.